amazing guys. Shalom shalom everyone, and welcome to this amazing and beautiful. So you can see the amazing beauty there. That's the Mount Tabor or Mount Transfiguration, and that's the village of Tabor. Amazing guys, look, that's really fascinating place, lovely and beautiful guys. Amazing place guys. Nice. Really amazing guys. What a lovely, beautiful and breathtaking beauty of Mount Tabor. Beautiful, amazing. Wow, it's an extraordinary place guys. Wow, lovely guys, really wonderful, wonderful place. Amazing. What a breathtaking beauty of this plain of Jezreel Valley, the fertile valley of Jezreel. Unbelievable guys. Wow, that's an amazing place. What a lovely and beautiful place guys. Really incredible, amazing and unbelievable. Wow, wonderful, wonderful guys, wonderful, amazing, amazing, unbelievable. What a beauty of this Jezreel Valley, or this valley of Armageddon, from here in the lower Galilee area, the footstep of Mount Precipice here in Nazareth. Lovely guys, that's lovely. Wow, amazing place.